Okay, so I'm about to go through this winter wonderland. Someone created this in my neighborhood. It's pretty cool. And this is why I don't decorate, because my neighbors decorate. And it's just like, why do this when they've done it? And it's just like, I get a chance to like reap the benefits of not having to do anything. And I can just enjoy it. Isn't this cool? It's like, yay. And it's not even freezing. It's like, woo, free fun with no effort. Thank you, neighbors. Thank you, neighbors, for doing this cool thing that I didn't have to put up or take down. And that's it. That's pretty much it. And then I'm going to turn it around and go back. Because my house is that aware. So if you are riding your bike on Christmas, reading a book on Christmas, working out on Christmas, kudos to you, because I'll be doing some of that as well. Because why not? Life is now. Do it. Be it. I wonder if you can hear how heavy I'm breathing, because this mic is really close. Be great. You can do it. Alright, I'm done.